What's up, everybody? I'm gonna be showing you how to get a YouTube beat and make it into an MP3 file, and I'm gonna be showing you how to make that beat put into GarageBand, and how to record your own song, how to use the mic and how to rap off it or sing or whatever. So first, you want to go to YouTube, find your beat. I already found one, so I'll just copy that one. Next, you want to go on to Safari. You want to search up YouTube to Mp3. And you want to click the first link. Then insert the link into this, to the little URL thing that you put the URL in. Just wait for it to convert and make sure you have MP3 on. You can also switch it to MP4. It will take you to pages or change the app screen, but you could just close that out. Go back to the Safari, click out that website, just click download again, and it should pop up. Just click download and see download. So you're gonna go to GarageBand, and now you want to click the plus sign at the top right. Click voice. Now click this panel to switch to the dashboard, I guess you would call it. Now you want to click this little arrow underneath the settings. I mean, not arrow, plus sign. Click section A. Click automatic. Now you want to click the thing that looks like a loop. Click files. And usually if you just got the app and you're using this for the first time, you won't see all these right here. These are files I already uploaded. So you want to click browse items from the files app, and you'll see your file should be in the recent, and it's right here. Yep. You just hold it, drag it, put it at the top. Oh, and this metronome, you could just take it off. I don't really use it. I think it's annoying. You click the bottom left to add another microphone. Click voice. And that just adds another microphone. You can add more if you want, depending if you want ad-libs or whatever. And here's how to work with the microphone a bit. So at the bottom right, you can turn on a microphone. And with users using headphones, you will be able to hear yourself. If you can't, just unplug the headphones, plug them back in. And these knobs, you can change how you sound, so that's where the monitor comes in really handy, because you can really see what you sound like. Pitch controls, like auto-tune, and yeah, you can just play with these, figure out what they do. At the top right, where's like a blue knob, tap on that, click OK. These are more effects. Make your voice sound different. Sound like you're on a telephone. Sound like a monster, UFO, a chipmunk. You could do all that. And basically, you just play your beat. Make sure you're selected the microphone for the voice and not for the beat. And you could switch back to this. And you can find where the beat drops. Or like before where the beat drops. Click the record. Record yourself. You know, switch it up. Change how you sound. Whatever you need to do. That's just a basic. That's the basic to recording yourself and on the GarageBand. Now to actually get the project onto MP3 file and then upload it to SoundCloud is very simple, because you actually export, I mean, change it to the MP3 in the app. So you click share after holding down on the project. Click song. You can change audio quality. You can put information on it. Change the cover image. Click share. Now you want to click open in. And it's just basically putting the project into an MP3 file, and it's just exporting it right now. And then you click save to files, and save it to your iCloud drive or on your phone, or click make a folder for it, whatever you have. Just save it, and it will be in your files. So next, open up SoundCloud, and you'll be at the home screen. And with the new update for SoundCloud for iOS, you can actually upload with iPhone. So tap the top right, and just put in the audio, change the name, the genre. You could describe the track, a bio, whatever. Put it on public or private if you're wanting to hold tracks. And when it's ready, you just click save. You could also change the cover art. You can make really make good cover arts with PixArt. PixArt's really good with making cover arts. You can make something pretty cool. That's what I did with the cover art that one for that track. And basically, you won't see it right away. You just gotta refresh it, and then it's right here. Oh, the app just froze on me, I guess. Just exited out, but it's right here. And you could also click edit track, and if you want to, you could delete it. And see, just refresh it and it's gone. And that's how to use GarageBand and make songs on iPhone and upload them. Hope you guys enjoyed. Click the like button, subscribe, listen to my music on SoundCloud, soon to be on all streaming platforms. And everyone have a good night, good day, whatever. Peace out, guys.